Hey everybody, Liam Patterson Photography here. This video is going to show you how to add a post to your story on Instagram. There's a lot of people having an issue with this, me included. I was one of these people. This is how I figured out where that function went. Apparently this does not work for everybody's situation, so if it doesn't work for yours, I'm sorry, but this is how it worked for mine. So you go to your post, and as normal, you click the icon right beside the like and the comment, and this pops up. So as you can see, add post to your story is not at the top of your list anymore. And a lot of people are freaking out about it, and I was one of them. So it's not there anymore. I read a few things that if you scroll all the way to the bottom, that it'd be there, and it's not there for me either. So I was freaking out. I actually figured out that it is actually right above where A starts. So there you see it, add post to your story right before the alphabet starts. So it's not at the end of your entire list. It is simply at the end of your recent list. And you can add a post to your story and do everything that you'd like to do with that. So again, apparently this does not work for everybody. This is what works for me though, and this is where that function has went for me. So hopefully this helps, and if it did, please consider subscribing, and if you have any more questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.